In this video we'll explore mypy, a tool that reads your type hints and warns you about mistakes before you even run your program. Python type hints are just labels. Python ignores them when it runs your code. mypy is a separate tool that reads those labels and catches mismatches, so bugs never make it to your users. A proofreader spots errors by reading, not by performing the essay. mypy reads your type hints the same way, catching mistakes silently before anything runs. Here we write a function called greet. The hint says, name should be a string, and the arrow hint says, it returns a string. On line 4 we call greet and pass the number 42. That is an integer, not a string. Our type hint says string is required, so this is a mistake. Before we even run this file, mypy compares the hint on line 1 with the call on line 4, sees the mismatch, and reports an error, no execution needed. If we skip mypy and just run the file, Python crashes at the concatenation step. mypy would have flagged line 4 before any of this happened. Without mypy, you only learn about type mistakes when your program crashes. With mypy, you run one command and see every mismatch instantly before any user is affected. mypy is your safety net for type hints. Python won't enforce them, but mypy will. Just run mypy on your file and let it find the problems before your users do.